Hey, for the Tesla Model Y, we're very excited to be the first ones to introduce this new product. Check it out. Of course, everyone has the power trunk liftgate in the Y. We all have our badges and everything, and we have some great products for storage. We have our dual liner storage compartment for the trunk of the Model Y. But today, we're excited to release the first luggage utility shelf cargo privacy divider. So watch this. Pull it out, down and under, and everything is hidden in the back of your Model Y. It's finally the first practical utility shelf, but it also gives you the privacy. And you can have all of your stuff in here, luggage, no matter what you have. Customers have always been asking for this, but no one's going to be able to look through the window and see what's in the back of your car. So let's take a look, and we'll show you up close with the luggage privacy shade. Even if you can see all the way through, you'll never be able to see what's in there. So finally ready for release, and we'll be shipping these out soon. Again, it's really simple to install, and anytime you want to move it or take it out, you go down and under and up. If you want to remove it, it comes right out. It's just simply retractable design with springs to roll it up, so you can take it out, you can put it down underneath, you can store it if you're going to put all your seats down. And what you do is you put on these 4 plastic pieces. 2 of them go behind the seat, right by the seat belt. One is actually a hook here, and that's all you have to install. There's no screws, no drilling. Everything is installed with double-sided tape. And again, check how easy it is to put it in and out. You simply slide it right down on each side, line it up, and it goes straight in the hole with the screws down, of course. And your seats can be all the way back. That was another thing we worked on with the design of this. We wanted to make sure that our seats could be reclined all the way. So see here in the 3, if we move the seats forward, all the way up, you can put them all the way back, all the way reclined, and they do not hit the main bar. So the design is great. So this is our seats in the upright position. This is position 2, position 3, all the way back. And there's no interference. So we wanted to design one that would be great, that would work, and you never have to take it out. So if you're not using it, it just simply hangs down and out of the way. We'll show you from a high angle. You pull it out and go up and then down and under the hooks and around. So there's no risk to damaging or scratching any of the side panels. We're putting velvet around the edges and felt, and it really works great. You'll always leave it like this. Nobody would ever be able to see what's in there, and it's just nice to have the privacy. Up, down, retract, easy in, easy out. In stock soon, RPM Tesla. Thanks for watching. And again, every time I get out of my car, I just leave it just like this. Close it and never worry about anyone looking in, seeing in here. So again, this is our privacy trunk screen cover for the Model Y for the rear seats. Not compatible with 7-seater, of course. Thanks again.